This Pixel 10 Pro XL in Moonstone color was on sale for Thanksgiving, and the price was hard to refuse. The display is 6.8-inch Super Actua display, 20:9 aspect ratio, 1344 by 2992 LTPO OLED at 486 ppi. Smooth display from 1 to 120 Hz. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, 2 cover glass. Up to 2200 nits HDR and up to 3300 nits peak brightness. Greater than 2 million to 1 contrast ratio. HDR support. Full 24-bit depth for 16 million colors. The dimensions and weight are 6.4 inches high by 3 inches wide by 0.3 inches deep. It weighs 8.2 ounces. The battery and charging are 24 or more hour battery life and up to a 100-hour battery life with extreme battery saver turned on. Typical 5,200 milliamp hours with a minimum 5,079 milliamp hours. Fast charging up to 70% in about 30 minutes using a 45-watt USB-C PPS charger or higher, sold separately. pixelsnap wireless charging is also Key 2 certified up to 25 watts. The memory and storage for the Pixel 10 Pro XL is 16 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes zoned UFS. The processor is Google Tensor G5 with a Titan M2 security coprocessor. The built-in security is VPN by Google at no extra cost. End-to-end security designed by Google. Multi-layer hardware security. Tensor Security Core, certified Titan M2 security chip, and Trusty, a trusted execution environment, anti-malware, and anti-phishing protection, with spam and scam protection in Google Phone and Messages. The rear camera has a Pro triple rear camera system, 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide with macro focus, 48 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, ProRes zoom up to 100 times, and optical quality at 0.5 times, 1x, 2x, 5x, and 10x. The wide camera has a 50 megapixel Octa PD wide camera, 82-degree field of view. The ultra-wide camera is 48 megapixel quad PD ultra-wide camera with autofocus, 123-degree field of view. The telephoto camera is 48 megapixels. Quad PD telephoto camera with optical image stabilization. 22-degree field of view. 5x optical zoom image sensor size. All rear cameras have ProRes zoom up to 100 times. Multi-zone laser detect autofocus sensor. Spectral and flicker sensor. Optical and electronic image stabilization on wide and telephoto. The front camera has a 42 megapixel dual PD selfie camera with autofocus. 103 degrees ultra-wide field of view. The rear camera 8K video recording at 2430 frames per second, powered by Video Boost. 4K video recording at 24 or 30 or 60 frames per second. 1080p video recording at 24 or 30 or 60 frames per second. Dual exposure on wide camera. Super resolution zoom video up to 20 times. The front camera has 4K video recording at 30 or 60 frames per second. The video features include Video Boost, Night Sight Video, Audio Magic Eraser, Macro Focus Video, 10-bit HDR video, Cinematic Blur, Cinematic Pan, Slow Motion Video support up to 240 frames per second, 4K time-lapse with stabilization, Astrophotography time-lapse, Night Sight time-lapse, Optical Image Stabilization for video, Fused Video Stabilization, Cinematic Pan Video Stabilization at 4K, 1080p, locked video stabilization at 4K 1080p, active video stabilization at 1080p. Video formats are HEVC, AVC, AV1, and V. Scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 cover glass. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 silky matte back with polished finish spacecraft grade aluminum frame. IP68 dust and water resistance. Fingerprint resistant coating. The aluminum in the housing is 100% recycled content. Made with at least 29% recycled materials based on product weight. 100% plastic-free packaging. The battery cell is made with 100% recycled cobalt. 100% recycled rare earth elements used in multiple magnets. The haptic engine is made with 100% recycled tungsten. The main logic boards are made with 100% recycled copper and gold. 100% recycled tin in the solder of multiple printed circuit boards. Of the 13 plastic components, 10 are made with recycled content that is at least 53% recycled. 7 years of operating system, security, and pixel drop updates. Launched with Android 16. Authentication with fingerprint unlock, face unlock, pattern, PIN, password. Emergency services are satellite SOS, emergency SOS, crisis alerts, car crash detection, safety check, emergency location service, emergency contacts, and medical info. Android earthquake alert system and theft protection.